Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is on semester 1 examination preparation strategy for IC 12th boards. You very well know that your exams are starting from November and it will be conducted in online mode. You will get MCQ questions and you can't expect an easy question paper than this. And I know that most of the students are pro and they have mastered cheating. But you should avoid it actually, because if you'll not do it yourself, then there is no profit of studying, of gaining knowledge. So you should be genuine in semester 1 examination. Try to score well, and we'll start with the preparation strategy along with the syllabus of different subjects, because I've not made a video on the syllabus of these subjects for semester 1. Let's begin with mathematics. Moving on to the syllabus. Fine, you will get 40 marks question paper in semester 1. I'm talking about mathematics. So you'll get relations and functions, algebra, calculus, and if you're attempting section B, you have to prepare vectors and 3D geometry. For section C, you have to prepare application of calculus. If I come to calculus, you don't have to prepare the proving questions because you will not get it. It is MCQ based. Secondly, talking about relations and functions, try to concentrate on, like, you'll get ordered pairs, you'll get a set of ordered pairs and they'll ask you if it's symmetric, reflexive, etc. Do not try out proving questions. It is wastage of time. For integration, they'll ask you to integrate the following function and give you 4 options. That will be based on like the constants. They'll not give you variable based questions or answers. So please practice these MCQ questions from your S Chand book. At the end of exercise, after completing the chapter, actually you will get this whole exercise of MCQ. So try it out, and in case you have any problem, you can mail me. The mail is in about section. We do have a Telegram group where I post important study material with my handwritten notes sometimes, and we also have a discussion group. If you want to join it, link is in the description. You may join it. Okay, so coming to this mathematics part, no proving questions, then please go through the formulas. It should be properly done and you should learn all these formulas by heart. Previous year questions, you must try it because you will not get very difficult questions this year. Maybe they'll give you 4 to 5 tricky questions because it is online. So try to handle them, tackle them. If you are clear with your concepts, then it's very simple for you to solve all the questions. Try to attempt all the questions. Do not leave anyone. In case you are not able to answer, then do it by hit and trial method. Whatever you feel is correct, take that. Please do not leave any question blank, right? Moving on to English. For this, I would ask you to properly read Tempest, whatever the acts are there. Okay, let's move on to the syllabus. So this is the syllabus for semester 1. You have to cover comprehension and grammar part. Grammar part means transformation of sentences, prepositions and phrasal verbs. And if you're practicing the grammar part, please do not give yourself 4 options. Do it like you did before in 10th and 11th. Do not give yourself options, because if you'll start doing this, then you'll not master it. So try to answer yourself and practice it from Frank IC English language book. It's a very good book. I also refer to that. Or you can practice from previous year questions. Coming to comprehension, yes, you will get MCQ based again. The whole paper is MCQ based. I don't have to repeat this again. So there will be a passage and then you have to read it. Try to read it carefully and answer it accordingly, because you'll get 4 options in every question. Okay, moving on to literature part. Tempest Act 3 will come in semester 1 exam. Please go through this act thoroughly. You can get any line or any question may be framed. they'll ask you anything. So please go through your text, your Tempest, and also refer to the paraphrase, that is where the meanings are given. Coming to Echoes and Reverie, for this, To Build a Fire, Jack London and Story of an Hour. To Build a Fire is a very long story and it's really typical for you to read, but you have to learn it, you have to go through it. Please give it a read, and I think you should read it 2 to 3 times, not even 1 time, but 2 to 3 times. Story of an Hour is an easy story. You can easily answer the questions. Reverie part, Darkling Thrush, is a little bit difficult. Birches is a long poem. Crossing the Bar. So I think you can easily go through these stories. Refer to the workbook also. That will be an assistance to you. They may ask you any line and frame a question on that sentence. So be prepared for that. Moving to Chemistry. For this, you will get all these chapters that are here, and semester 1 for chemistry will be of 35 marks. If I talk about organic chemistry, please go through the named reactions. They may give you a reaction and then give you 4 options that this is the name of this reaction. And please practice the numericals. They will give you 1 to 2 marks numericals, where they'll ask you the question and then give you 4 options as the answer. Solid state solutions, and yes, for solid state you know what different structures are there, so prepare that. For solutions in electrochemistry, I would guide you to the numericals of these 2 chapters. You don't have to go through the reactions very thoroughly, like you don't have to learn it, but they may ask you to name it, or they may ask you which reaction is this. Coming to physics, you have to learn the formulas. Numericals may come from there, and practice previous year questions. No derivations will be there in semester 1. That is a plus point. But you must know what is the formula of a particular topic. Like if they'll ask you electrostatic formula or the 2-length formula, you should be clear with it. You don't have to learn the derivation for semester 1, right? Moving to the syllabus of physics. This is what you will get in semester 1. You will get it for 35 marks. Okay, moving on to this optional subject, right? Here you will get programs. I have written no, but you will get programs, like the short programs. They'll ask you output questions, and you must practice section A, like the past 15-year questions of section A. I'm talking about computer science, Carnot maps, and then whatever is there in Boolean algebra, then stacks and queues. Please prepare it well. Here it is. Oh, you're getting recursion in 2nd semester. Apologies. So you'll get Boolean algebra, computer hardware, algorithms to solve problems, programming in Java, review of class 11th, objects, then wrapper classes, primitive values, and all these topics. If you want to start Boolean algebra from scratch, you may refer to the playlist. Please type it on YouTube, Boolean algebra, ISC 12th AB Education Hub. You'll get a playlist of Boolean algebra where a teacher has already taught all the chapters. So it's on my channel only. You may go through it. And I've also made videos on Carnot maps under the playlist of ISC Computer Science. Thank you for watching this video. In case you have any doubts or queries, you may comment or mail me. My Gmail is in about section. Thank you for watching. Bye. All the best.